Hello, it's Optimus Prime here. As you can see, it's totally raining down here in Hawaii. As you can see, there's a big flooded lake right there. And it stretches from here all the way up to right there. Well, you can go more up, and it goes all the way over there. Oh, you can see right there, you see? It's right there, so much water. That's how hard it's raining here in Lanai, Hawaii. So much water. So much, and we can't watch TV because there's satellite. See? No TV. So much water. And I did wish I could go play in the water, but nah, I'm gonna get sick. Okay. This is Optimus Prime, signing out.